Hello, in this video we will see how can we make an automation for WooCommerce abandoned cart recovery. So on the left hand side, click on plugins, select add new plugin. Here search WooCommerce cart abandoned recovery. Install this one, install now. Now activate this. Now here go to WooCommerce cart abandonment settings. Make sure that under disable tracking for there are no check marks in any of the option, and under exclude email sending for all the options are ticked. And scroll down. Now we will set a webhook. So go to automations builder, select a trigger, webhook, custom webhook. Let's add a title and generate hook. Copy the webhook URL. Here in webhook settings, we will enable webhook, paste the webhook URL here, and then simply save changes. Now again in the automation builder, let's capture our data first. So I'll click on capture incoming webhook. Now let's add a product to our cart and leave it. So select options, add to cart, proceed to checkout, enter your details here and just leave this. Now let's wait for our data to be captured. So we have received data here. It generally takes 15 to 20 minutes to receive data. Here we can see name, billing address, shipping address, email. We have a checkout URL, product name, order status, and cart total. So let's save this. Now we will add another block. Go to CRM and send template message. Now the template I am going to select here is this one. So hello, we notice that you have added this product to your cart, place order now, and here I have added a dynamic URL button. So here select channel, template will be abandoned cart recovery. WhatsApp number will be 91 and phone number from here. Body variable 1 is product name. Button variable will be checkout URL. And now let's save this. Save this workflow and enable it. Now whenever there is an abandoned cart, within 15 to 20 minutes, the customer will automatically receive this message, and you can encourage the customers to place their orders that they had in their abandoned carts. Thank you.